Hello, everyone, and welcome to Speak Smart. If you are someone who wants to improve your English in a practical way without feeling like you're studying from a textbook all the time, then today's episode is going to be very interesting for you. Hi, everyone, my name is Nikhil Malhotra. I am a CPD certified soft skills and corporate trainer and facilitator, and I work with students and professionals to help them communicate better. Not just grammatically correct English, but something very practical, confident, and practical communication that actually works in real life, in the interviews, meetings, presentations, and everyday conversations. And today's episode is going to be really special because it is based on a question from one of you. Ammu SE4KD commented on one of the previous episodes and asked me to create a video about how to learn English watching movies or series. First of all, thank you so very much, Ammu. I genuinely appreciate your effort, and I love the fact that when you ask such questions, it tells me a lot about learners like you. It tells me that you're not just watching passively, you're not just watching the content passively, and you're actually thinking about improvement. And I want more of you all, that means more of you users, more of you family members to actually comment and ask such questions. If you have any questions about communication, confidence, English speaking, interviews, or personality development, please drop it in the comments. I will ensure personal readiness to them. I'll ensure that I read them personally, and your question might become the next episode. Now let's just dive deep into this conversation. Let's just answer this question properly first. So, can you really learn English by watching movies or series? The short answer is yes. The real answer is yes, but only if you do it correctly. Because most people don't. Most people watch Netflix and call it practice, but that actually is not practice. That is entertainment. Now, there's nothing wrong with entertainment, but let's not confuse it with learning. Let me explain to you the biggest mistake that people make. They watch a movie in English, the subtitles are on, but these subtitles are in their native language. So, what is actually happening is that their ears are hearing English, but their brain is reading their own language. Now, there's no active learning happening over here. You're just consuming the content. Now, don't get me wrong over here. Even passive listening helps slightly. But if your goal is to actually improve spoken English, then you need active involvement. So today I'll give you a structured method, not just random tips, a structured method, a method that you can actually follow. So step number 1 is choose the right content. Please don't start with anything fancy with fast British crime dramas if you are just a beginner. Choose something very, very simple. Sitcoms can be great. The shows where conversations are natural and everyday. For example, the shows where people talk about daily life, daily routine, relationships, office situations, they are actually gold for learners. Why? Because the vocabulary is conversational, and that's what you actually need. You don't need Shakespeare level or, uh, you know, you don't need that high level English. You need practical English. Step number 2 is use English subtitles instead of your native language subtitles. This step is really very important. When you watch with English subtitles, your brain connects the sounds with the spelling, and you see the sentence and hear it at the same time. This actually builds pronunciation awareness. Over time, you'll notice, oh, so that's how this word is pronounced. Because let's be honest, English spelling and pronunciation cannot always be best friends. Now, here is where it gets even powerful. Pause and repeat. Yes, actually take pauses. If a character says something very strong, a confident line, pause it, repeat it out loud. Match their tone, match their vibe, match their speed, match their emotion. This is actually called shadowing, and it is one of the fastest ways to improve speaking rhythm. But most people feel awkward doing this. They think that this feels silly. Remember that growth feels silly before it feels powerful. Now let's go even deeper. Don't just copy words, copy the expression. Let's say in a series someone says this, someone says that I'm not sure that that's a good idea. I'm not sure it's a good idea. And there may be many ways to say this: sarcastic, concerned, angry, calm, can be any tone. You just have to notice the emotion. Because communication is not only vocabulary, it's the delivery. Movies and series are amazing teachers of delivery. Another technique is to write down 5 useful sentences per episode. Not complicated sentences, the useful ones. For example, that makes sense. I didn't see that coming. Let me think about it. I'll get back to you. Are you serious? So the simple sentences basically. Now here's the actual magic. Use these sentences in real life within 48 hours. Otherwise you'll forget them. Language improves when you use it. Okay, so when it is actually used, it cannot just be stored and learnt. So language improves when used, not just stored. Now let's address something really important: accent. Now many people say, sir, if I watch American series, will I get an American accent? First, you need to relax. Accent comes from long-term immersion. Okay? Watching 10 episodes won't actually change your identity. Focus on clarity. Clear English is always greater, it's more important than fake accent. Always. Now, let me give you a 7-day movie learning plan. For the first couple of days, day 1 and 2, watch 20 to 25 minutes with English subtitles and just try and understand. Day 3 and 4, the next couple of days, re-watch the same episode, pause and repeat important dialogues. That's what you can do the next couple of days. Day number 5, that's again after those 4 days that I've told you. Day number 5 would be watch without subtitles for 10 to 15 minutes and test yourself. Day number 6 can be write a short summary in simple English. And day number 7, speak the summary of that out loud, like you're telling to a friend. This is how entertainment becomes education. Now let me answer a common fear. What if I don't understand everything? Remember that you are not supposed to understand everything. Even native speakers don't catch every single word. Focus on the overall meaning. Context is the king. Context is your best teacher. Another unique trick over here: mute the video and try to guess the dialogue from the body language. This trains the thinking in English, because now your brain is forming sentences actively. Also, choose genres wisely. If your goal is professional communication, watch office based shows. If your goal is casual conversation, watch friendship based shows. Overall, align the content with your life goals. And please, uh, consistency is always over intensity. Consistency is the most important thing. Watching one movie for 5 hours on Sunday won't actually help you as much as 20 minutes every day. Small daily exposure, small daily steps that rewires your brain actually, slowly and gradually. Now, let me talk directly to Ammu for a second. If you start this method today and follow it for the next 30 days, you will notice a drastic change. You will notice better listening, better sentence flow, more natural reactions, less translations, and in your head you translate more. That would be less because now English is actually entering your brain through the stories, not grammar rules. And people love stories. Okay, so stories stick by, the rules fade away. Now, to everyone watching, I want you to comment below what series or movie you are going to start with. Let's make the comment section a learning community. And if you have another question, please do ask it. Your question could become episode number 6. I genuinely want this podcast to be very interactive because communication improves through conversation, not monologue. If this episode helped you, please like it, share it with someone who loves watching movies but wants to improve English, and subscribe to Speak Smart. New episodes drop in every Sunday, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. Until next time, speak clearly, speak confidently, and most importantly, speak smart.